Welcome to Mount Pleasant Academy. This academic year, 2020-2021, will be a very dynamic one here at MPA. The world is currently undergoing a global pandemic that has impacted everyone. We care about you and your health, safety, and well-being. As such, Mount Pleasant Academy has taken precautions to ensure you, our students, staff, service providers, and visitors are safe while on our campus. You will start experiencing some of these changes at the entrance. We remind you to be safe and ensure that we all treat with this COVID-19 pandemic in the safest possible way.
Hello everyone. As we anticipate the reopening of school for the upcoming academic year, exacerbated by the COVID-19 global pandemic, please rest assured that the Mount Pleasant Academy, in conjunction with its health department, has taken the necessary precautions and recommendations made by the Ministry of Health and the World Health Organization to meet national and international standards to prepare a safe environment for you and your child. We embark the new school year pursuing a mixed modality approach towards teaching and learning, and as such, we ask you to partner with us as we aim to ensure that all our staff and students are safe during this time. We encourage you to abide by the general rules, which include temperature checks, hand washing and sanitization, social distancing of 6 feet apart, proper wearing of mask, and general mask etiquette. From the gate to the nurses' station, all persons entering the campus will be subjected to a temperature check and hand sanitization at the entrance gate before admittance. Your information will be logged for proper record keeping. Students returning will also be required to complete a screening procedure by our school nurse. At the office, all students must maintain social distancing when going into any of the main offices and throughout the rest of the campus. Dorms. All our dorms have been readjusted to observe the social distancing rules. Beds and other furniture are situated 6 feet apart. Laundry. Our laundry services have been revamped to ensure that all students' clothing will be washed, guaranteeing safety. A washer is being reserved at the laundry department for isolation linen. Cafeteria. Students entering the cafeteria will now need to access the building through the tunnel area, being sure to maintain social distancing, and proceed clockwise until they are served. We have added one hand washing station located at the cafeteria. All students must properly wash their hands, following the steps outlined by the poster which is located beside the sink. Sanitation workers are tasked to prepare proper cleaning of the cafeteria and other public surfaces to limit the spread of any bacteria. Classrooms. Teaching and learning will be done through a blended approach and will therefore include both online learning and face-to-face classes. Seating arrangements will observe social distancing. Training. All students must maintain social distancing during training and fitness sessions. In general, all students and staff are expected to practice good hand hygiene as endorsed by the institution's public health education campaigns. To facilitate this process, the facility has already been outfitted with hand sanitization stations, which are strategically located across the campus. The wearing of masks. All employees and students should be attired in a face mask at all times except at mealtimes once you are on the campus. Here are the steps to put on your mask properly. 1. Wash or sanitize your hands properly before and after touching the mask. 2. Pick up your mask by its air loops. Without touching the mask itself, bring the loops up to your ears, securing them as tightly as possible. 3. Be sure that it covers your nose, your mouth, and your chin. 4. Secure the mask around the bridge of your nose. 5. Ensure that you can breathe and talk comfortably. When removing your mask, touch only the bands or ties. Then, place disposable masks in a closed bin. And finally, wash reusable masks after each use with detergent and bleach. Ensure that you don't wear your mask under your chin, hanging from your ear, over your forehead, or covering only your mouth.
You've watched our protocols. You've seen what it is that we want to do here at Mount Pleasant Academy. These changes in our operations will affect the way we interact with each other. However, we are still MPA. Our values have not changed. We are still guided by a core principle of delivering service in a professional, warm, and caring way. So while we may be forced to be physically distant, we will always be socially warm and emotionally close. Be sure to stay safe. Let us do our part and end the relentless march of COVID-19. May God bless you all.